Hi, everyone. We are super excited to be talking to one of our guests for our October Future Proof Your Retirement webinar on October 19th at 12:30. This is a unique one because we have two guest speakers, and our topic is what happens when a loved one dies. And so here we have Marisol Goodman, and she is going to tell us what industry she's in.
Yes, I'm part of the legal services. I'm an estate planning and estate administration attorney.
And how did you get started in that, Marisol?
Well, actually, I have a nonprofit background and I was working with families in some of their most challenging moments. And as part of my work, I created a program that connected my families to attorneys. And that actually led me down the road towards law.
Wow, that's probably not a background that a lot of people have when it comes to the legal industry, and probably gives you some unique insights when helping your clients.
It allows me that satisfaction of knowing when I can come in at their most challenging moments. So, yes.
Sure. So what are you most passionate about in this industry?
I think for me specifically is making the law accessible, but it's also creating a really positive impact for my clients. And once again, in the most challenging moments. So my goal is really to create these really thoughtful legal plans that provide support, guidance when there's a moment of crisis, and to really move through that crisis in a way that keeps family units together, rather than what I see sometimes is the family unit can sometimes fall apart, especially in those moments of crisis. So I am really geared towards how do we support the entire family through the one individual's legal documents. So that's kind of what I like to do with my clients.
I have seen that happen with my own clients, where a really well-made estate plan can help preserve family relationships, and also where having no estate plan has really damaged family relationships, and sometimes for the rest of the time that family has. What is your goal in being part of Future Proof?
Well, for me, it's the access to justice issue. Too many times I hear clients say, I can't afford it, or prospective clients, or situations where I hear something happen. They're like, I can't afford an attorney. So what I want to do is be able to make the law more accessible, to allow folks an opportunity to get in front of an attorney. And part of this group is making education more readily available to families as to how to use the legal services in their dynamic, in their family dynamic, in their plans, with conversations with their team, like having it be a team approach with both their financial planner, their attorney, their CPA, their caregivers, having that team approach so that you're not relying on just one industry, but rather a team approach. So that's, for me, part of being part of a resource group is making law accessible.
Right. One of the things that really is our goal is to encourage people to build their team, and to make sure that everyone in their team can work together to help them reach their goals. We are all part of helping people reach whatever their dreams are, or being able to achieve some of the dreams that they've had for their families. And that's so key to what we are about at Future Proof. All right, last question, the fun one. What is one thing that people don't usually know about you?
I'm an excellent swimmer.
Really?
It's surprising. Folks are surprised, but I am quite a swimmer. I can swim quite long distances and have, yeah.
Are you one of those people who would like swim the English Channel or something like that crazy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like, for me, it's my favorite part. So long distances, slow and easy, going cross big widths of lakes. I have swam in the ocean distances, like several miles, without an issue.
Wow.
So, yeah.
What a skill to have.
I know. Like I said, it's a surprising thing that most folks would not have imagined.
Right? Well, thank you so much for joining us for this little sneak peek at our topic for our next webinar. And make sure that you register for the webinar at futureproofyourretirement.com. And we'll see everyone on October 19th.